A toy for Slimey. So, I guess we're in the park. What do you want to do today, Slimey?
I don't know.
The sun is shining and there's lots of kids playing. Ugh, what a rotten day.
Yeah.
Hey, look, they're playing with a ball. That doesn't look so bad.
I'm not sure.
Come on, let's give it a try. Let's play ball. Okay, now you roll it back, Slimey.
I don't like this.
Slimey, you didn't roll the ball back. Doesn't seem like you want to play with that ball. What's going on, buddy? Slimey is curled up and trembling. He must be feeling afraid. Happy. Afraid. Yeah, Slimey looks afraid. I think Slimey might be afraid of the ball. I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't realize you were afraid of that ball.
This ball is too big.
Yeah, it is too big. And you're probably afraid it might knock you down if it rolls into you.
Yeah.
Let's choose a smaller ball to play with. Which ball is the smallest? You got it. That ball is the smallest. Okay, Slimey, now we've got a ball small enough for a worm. Let's try playing again.
I'm still not sure.
Let's try this again. Okay, now you roll it back, Slimey.
I still don't like this.
Hey, Slimey, you still didn't roll the ball back. I guess playing ball isn't very fun for worms, huh?
No, Oski.
Yeah, there aren't many games on the playground that are made for worms.
No.
Slimey is hunched and sighing loudly. He must be feeling sad. Courageous. Sad. Yeah, Slimey looks sad. I bet Slimey is sad that he doesn't have anything he likes to play with at the park. Hey, Slimey, it looks like you're feeling sad.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we're gonna find something fun for little worms to do at the park.
Really, Oski?
Hey, look at that! Those kids are making a sandcastle.
Sandcastle?
What if we did something like that, but made it out of something worms like mud? Just for you, little buddy.
Yay!
Let's make a mud house for Slimey. First, let's choose a shape for the house. Square. Now let's add some things to make it nice and junky. Worms like that. A door made of twigs. Ooh, Slimey'll like that. A window made of twigs.
Aha!
Some leaves. Ooh, Slimey'll like that. And now it's time to add water to the dirt to make it extra muddy. Who doesn't love a little mud, huh?
More mud.
Looks real crummy. I love it. Here you go, little buddy. A mud house just for you. What do you think?
Yay, I love it.
Now Slimey is standing tall. For a worm, that is. And he has a smile. Looks like he's feeling happy. Courageous. Happy. Yeah, Slimey feels happy that we made something just for him. Well, I guess if I had to help somebody today, I'm glad it was you, Slimey.
Thanks, Oski.
Oh, you bet, little buddy. I may be a grouch, but even I know it's important to notice how your friends are feeling.
That was really kind of you.
Kind?
Yeah, you're the best, Oski.
Oh, now I'm a kind friend. Oh, what have I done?
Here's one of my friends from our neighborhood. Our friend is feeling afraid. Let's make an afraid face. Which mouth looks afraid? That mouth does look afraid. We feel afraid when we are fearful of what is going to happen. Our friend feels ready to go on the tallest slide for the first time. How might our friend be feeling? Which mouth shows how they might be feeling? Yes, I think our friend is feeling courageous. Courageous is when we feel brave and can do something difficult. Our friend is feeling sad. Let's make a sad face. Tap the mouth. That mouth does look sad. We feel sad when we are unhappy and feel like we might cry. It's important to learn about different feelings. Use the different eyes and mouths to make your own feeling face. Keep adding. When you're done, tap here. Tap something to decorate your face. Wow! What will you choose next? I love how creative you are.